In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see Drawing Toolbar in TradingView. If you're new to the platform or your tools seem to have disappeared, don't worry. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find them and how to bring them back. We'll start in the browser. Open your preferred search engine and search for TradingView. In the results, click the official link titled TradingView, Track All Markets. That takes you to the homepage where all charting features live. From there, open the charting workspace. On the top navigation, go to Products and choose Supercharts. This is the full featured chart interface where the drawing toolbar lives, so make sure you're inside this view rather than a lightweight widget or an embedded chart. Once the chart loads, look toward the upper right corner for your profile icon. Click it just to confirm you're signed in. Being signed in isn't strictly required to see the tools, but it ensures your layout and drawings are saved and that the toolbar state persists between sessions. Now, let's reveal the tools. On the chart, find the Drawings panel. It's typically docked along the left edge of the screen and can be toggled open or closed. Click Drawings and the toolbar will slide out, showing categories like trend lines, geometric shapes, Fibonacci tools, annotation tools, and more. If you don't immediately see it, your panel may be collapsed. Move your cursor to the far left edge of the chart and look for a small handle or chevron. Expanding that area brings the panel into view. Also check that your browser window isn't too narrow. Narrow widths can auto-hide side panels to maximize chart space. After it's visible, you can hover over each icon to see tool names and long press to reveal related variations, which helps you pick the exact tool you need without cluttering the screen. If you're customizing your layout, remember that the panel position and visibility are part of your chart layout. Keeping it open and then saving your layout will make TradingView remember that preference next time. That's all there is to it. Search for TradingView, open Supercharts, verify your profile, and click the Drawings panel to bring the toolbar into view. With the tools visible, you're ready to mark key levels, draw trends, and annotate your analysis with confidence. Thanks for watching and enjoy your charting. If it ever disappears in the future, repeat these steps and check for a collapsed panel or a narrow window, and you'll have your drawing tools back instantly.